This room right here got a total makeover, but before we get to how we decorated it, this video is all about how we cleaned it. Hi guys, it's Diana. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. In this video, we are transforming my kids' room from this mess you see right here that it gets into at some point to a room that is absolutely gorgeous in my opinion. But let's get to cleaning. Now, before we start cleaning, let's gather up our cleaning supplies. I got my vacuum, got my wipes, got my sprays and brushes and gloves and everything all in one spot. That way I don't have to keep leaving this room. I'm just gonna start by picking up things off of the floor before I tackle this closet. That way I have a clear path to walk around. I'm just going to be emptying this closet by putting things onto the bed, and at the same time anything that needs to be recycled I put into the blue bag, and everything that needs to be thrown out I put into a garbage bag right away. That way I don't have to sort through them afterwards. So now that the closet is almost empty, I am ready to wipe down the shelves, but first I am going to dust them, and then I will start putting the clothes back in. And I'm just going to take these last bit of hung up clothing and put them on the bed where everything else is at the moment. And I'll show you guys what this closet is now looking like, all nice and clean. And now I'm just about ready to start folding and hanging up these clothes that I've been just putting on the bed. And it's a good idea to have a plan for how you're going to organize the closet in a way that will suit your needs right now, but also minimize the amount of work moving forward in terms of organizing, or at least trying to keep the room organized. Okay guys, I want to show you where our furniture had been when we had no furniture in the house here. This beautiful landmark, this beautiful container has been on our driveway for a while. And this is where our furniture had been stored for a while, for several weeks. No furniture. So thank you, insurance company. So a few days ago, everything in the container got brought back into the house, and we still needed to get carpets changed in a couple other areas in the house. So a lot of our stuff got stored in my kids' rooms. So this is what it's currently looking like, and I have to start the cleaning and organizing again. But thankfully, as you can see back there, the clothes remained in their places and remained organized. But now I have to get this room ready for decorating. So hang in there and let's continue cleaning together. So once again, we want to make sure that everything that we're keeping in the room are things that we're going to be using and that we're going to keep in the room for the long run. And then everything else that does not belong in the room has got to go. So you can temporarily find a place to keep them, or you can take them and put them in their designated places, but they just have to get out of this space right here, because we have to empty out this room, because this is the room we're working on. So you'll see me removing things, taking them out of the room, because those are the things that either just don't belong here or are going to be garbage or recycling or a donation. So decluttering always takes the most amount of time in a cleaning project, especially if you're doing it all at once. And I usually declutter as I go, but for this room, I decided to do it all at once just to be able to have a nice, clear, clean slate to be able to decorate the room. Now I'm removing the mattress and the bed sheets and everything from this beautiful bunk bed that was gifted to me by my beautiful friend, and I'm removing the mattress because I just want to clean everything. And I'm also going to be painting that bunk bed, by the way, hint hint, for my next video. And this mattress we're going to keep, but this bed frame we will be getting rid of. But for now, we're just cleaning. And of course, laundry is a big part of any room cleaning project. So I'm just throwing this load in, and then I will finish off this room for today with a little bit of vacuuming, and that's it. And that's it in terms of cleaning for today, you guys. Of course, there's other parts of the room to be cleaned, like window sills, wiping furniture down and things like that. But that will all take place after I have decorated. So here's a sneak peek of what we do for decorating this room, which is in the next video, and I'm just gonna be linking it up here. We're gonna be painting, we're gonna be moving beds around, we are going to be building furniture, we're going to be drilling holes. We are doing so much in this room, you guys, and I think it ends up looking beautiful. So here's a sneak peek at what this room ends up looking like. And that's it for our cleaning video. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. And of course, as always, if you haven't subscribed already, I would really appreciate your subscription, and give me that thumbs up if you like this video. And please be sure to check out my next video where I am decorating and all that good stuff. Thanks everyone. Take care. Bye.